No, hey guys, it's Chris with Recruiter Boom, Chris Slingerland. Wanted to catch everyone up. Thanks for viewing this week's vlog. We are actually celebrating our 4th of July cookout, Boomer Blitz victories from this past week. We have cornhole, we had basketball, good food, turkey burgers, hamburgers. Everyone's having a good time. Again, thanks for tuning in. Chris with Recruiter Boom. Hello. Come on, Merrimack. We got a little bit of turkey burgers with some lemon pepper seasoning.
Ooh.
Topped with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce
Ooh.
to keep it moist and flavorful. And then we've got regular burgers and some hot dogs.
Nice. You got out in the first round of horse.
Yeah, I did get out.
How does it feel?
Not good. Not good at all.
Got some dogs set and 2 burgers are coming
No
up.
problem.
Hi guys, I'm Sydney. I live in Dunbarton, New Hampshire, and I go to Stony Brook University in Long Island, where I play Division I women's lacrosse. I play defense, and I just got back from a month-long trip in Greece, where I got to go to Athens and a bunch of islands, and I'm ready to get back to Recruiter Boom and hit the ground running this summer.
Hi everyone, I'm Erica. I'm from Portsmouth, New Hampshire. I go to Sacred Heart in Connecticut. Fun fact is I'm obsessed with my dogs. I have 2 pugs. And I'm enjoying this wonderful weather and barbecue. Want a game of horse? Yeah, that's it.
Nice.
Hi, my name's Cooper Annable. I'm from Bedford, New Hampshire. I go to Endicott College. And fun fact about me is I just got back from Myrtle Beach playing baseball for a month. So happy to be here.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in this week. That's a wrap on our barbecue. See you next week.
And happy 4th of July.
Bye.